Hello. This is Alfred. Welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking into communicating with our Arduino, connecting it to a computer and able to see the serial communication from the Arduino. Essentially pulling the data from the Arduino and handling it on the computer using a C# program. So as you could see in the screen, we have a very simple Arduino code. So our void setup is essentially one line of code which is initializing our baud rate. So this is a very important thing to keep in mind when having a serial port communication. So we have the baud rate initialized, and our loop, this constantly shows our loop have a delay of 1 second, and it prints this line of code. Hello from my Arduino code. I send this every seconds. So now another thing that you want to keep in mind is the COM port. So our COM port is COM port 6. So that's all you have to keep in mind. So with this, very literally 3 lines of code. So this and this, we can display this on our computer, right? So let's head over to our C# program to grab this data. So this is what our C# program looks like. I should probably just go ahead and minimize this, okay? So let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's say 25. Alright, that's better. Okay, now we can see all the code. Okay, so this is what we have, right? So let's say you want to use your computer, have it connected to the Arduino, and you want to log all this information, or you want to see it. You can always see it here, serial monitor, and you will be getting this message every seconds, right? You can always see it like this. But what if you want to use a different programming language, not the Arduino IDE, but a C# code or a C# language to pull that information? Now this is how to do it. So remember, the two main information we need to pull this data is the COM port and the baud rate. This makes it possible for the two computers to talk to each other, to be in sync with each other. And the next line of code, if you're familiar with C#, this is essentially initializing our serial port class. And over here we are, so this particular event handler comes with our serial port class. So this method, which is this method right here, gets triggered whenever the serial port sees a data coming, and we open it here, and this is just information basics. So this helps us close the port whenever a user presses any key on the keyboard. Alright, simple enough. So over here, so this is the event handler. This is the method that runs every single time this serial print line is called. So essentially every seconds this method will be run. So, and over here we are essentially reading line, so we are reading every single new line from the serial port, and over here we are displaying it on the console for now. So you can display it on the console, you can log it to a CSV data, Excel format, and all that good stuff. In the future video, maybe I will show that, but for now we want to show it on the console. All right, so let's go ahead and see how this works. All right, as you can see, we are getting that information every seconds, and if we press a key, it will close. All right, easy enough. So let's go ahead and make a small change. Let's change this to 2 seconds, so it will update every 2 seconds, and let's put 2 here every 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and upload it into our Arduino board. Alright, we are done uploading. Now let's run our C# code. Alright, you see, now we are updating every 2 seconds. So that's how easy you could start speaking with your Arduino using a C# language, and you could pull all your data and be able to analyze it, whether you are logging a process or logging something more useful than what I am showing here. So hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions on the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you find this useful. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.